Lily,
Yes.
what are you doing?
Cooking the rice noodle for Catherine and Justin.
Why are you doing that?
Because they like to eat. So I'm happy to cook for them.
That's very generous of you.
Because we are a family, we love each other.
So what are you cooking them?
The rice noodle with the pork, the meat, and
It sounds delicious.
yes. So, and then when I finish, you go to the Tristan house, give them.
So I'm the Uber food driver.
Yeah,
Okay.
but you're free.
And what's the name of your kitchen?
Lily Kitchen School.
Have you got any merchandise?
My husband make this for me. Look, Army here.
Your laogong must be wonderful.
Yes.
Ning is packing her wares for delivery. Lao Ning, I'm here for the delivery.
Laudine.
I'm getting into the car to take the Li Ning food to our customers. A note to all Li Ning Kitchen and Cooking School customers, leaving a light on at the front door is always very, very welcomed. Oh, and there's a security camera at that, a security light. Ooh, dogs. Another satisfied Li Ning Cooking School and Kitchen customer.
The right amount of spice.